I love you.
How could you do this to me?
I'm sorry.
No!
You saved my life.
I wish I could tell you that I loved you, but I can't. You know I can't. It doesn't mean I don't.
Ow!
I can't be with you.
My heart. No! No!
Oh,
I can't kiss a woman who doesn't love me.
I never said I didn't love you. I said I couldn't tell you that I loved you.
Do you?
More than the world.
Don't point it at me.
I don't see how you can hate from outside the building. You can't even get in. Leg out.
Oh no!
Yellow model chin. Yellow bottle sipping. Yellow lemon daily. Yellow top missing. Yeah. That shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years. In 2 days. Ladies love me. I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi. And the suicide doors are recorded. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh.
What are you thinking?
I'm getting
Let's go home
paper.
together.
Look at me
Wait,
now.
what's that?
Oh, look at me
What?
now.
Oh no!
Oh my God.
Another bear!
Little nigga bigger than gorilla, cause I'm feeling every nigga that can try to be on my shit. But I can be chick, if you get it, I can get it, and she actually really took it all in.
You have the cheeks of a snake. You know what this
about my
means?
dick. All of you say hi to you. I'm done.
Hell breezy.
I'm
Let me
scared.
show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. But I know that I don't and I won't ever stop. You know I gotta win every day. See the really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think it be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about it. Boom, about it, I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear. So a couple niggas that I always win and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death and I won't move a little flower. Nigga better call a rap and everybody know my style. Niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest and I'm banging the east and I'm banging in the west. And I kinda give you more and I would never give you less. You will hear it in the street and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it and we all up in the race. And you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace. And we struggle and hustle and I set it and I get it. And we always gotta do it, take it to another place. Gotta taste it and I gotta grab it. And I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the dome. But I know I gotta have it. Have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now.